like, subscribe and get notified.
The Asagaon demolition case is getting murkier and murkier. The alleged naming of the DGP by the Anjuna PI is absolutely shocking and has cast a mega shadow on the highest echelons of the police, acting as land mafia. Here are the 5 damning paragraphs in the Anjuna PI's report that expose Goa DGP's alleged direct involvement in the demolition of the Asagaon house and his complicity with Pooja Sharma and forcing junior cops to obey his illegal orders. Paras 7 and 8 read, once the undersigned, along with SDPO Mapsa Sandesh Chodankar had attended the meeting with DGP Goa. DGP Goa had discussed regarding purchase of the said property by Mrs. Pooja Sharma and directed us to help her in vacating the said house. On 22 June 2024, I received a phone call from DGP Goa informing that the party of Pooja Sharma will come at Asagaon and told us to help them. Para 11 of the report reads, I received a phone call from DGP Goa asking me why the work of the demolition of the house has been stopped. DGP Goa started shouting on me and told me that anyhow the work of the demolition of the house should be started and if any person is obstructing it then to lift them from the spot and to bring them at the police station. Para 17 of the report reads, I again received a phone call from DGP Goa that anyhow the work of the demolition of the house must take place and told me that they will again start the work of the demolition and no one should stop the said work. DGP Goa was continuously pressuring me to allow Mr. Arshad Khwaja to continue demolition work of the house. He also threatened me to start the work within 10 minutes, otherwise to get ready to face the consequences if the work is not completed. Para 23 of the report read, he also informed me that Mrs. Pooja Sharma is the owner of the said property and no cognizable offence was made out into the complaint of Preensha Agrawalekar and hence there was no need to take action into her complaint. In Para 29, P.I. Desai has written, on 24 June, I visited the office of DGP Goa wherein he started shouting at me for not allowing Mr. Arshad Khwaja to complete the demolition work of the house. He also started threatening me to initiate high-level committee against me as I had not allowed Mr. Arshad Khwaja to demolish full house as he was doing it legally. He also threatened me saying that, if he is also transferred from Goa, whenever he will be posted he will book a case under NDPS Act and he will falsely record statement of that accused that he is doing drug trade in connivance with P.I. Anjuna police station and will frame me in the said case. Bureau Report Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.